heard about the Compassionate Geek when I was at a Chartech Academy. Someone had mentioned to me about how this could really help with our customer service, and that was something we really wanted to focus on. Anyone can fix computers. Our goal is, what can we do to try and enhance that customer experience? So we came back, we got a book for everybody, and we started reading a chapter a week on a weekly basis. We would discuss it in our Friday lunches and talk about it, the chapter and the things that we learned from it, and then we'd go back and see what we can implement that following week and how we can give it that better customer experience. Well, being part of the lab tech community, I thought this was something that would be huge. I might not be the only one having this problem.
I knew that this was something that could benefit our partners. Before we shared it with them, though, I wanted to make sure that it was doable. So I talked with our head of support, Joe Lombardo, and I asked if he could bring the Compassionate Geek to life in our service department.
The first thing we did was take a look at what we were already doing that's in line with the Compassionate Geek. Then we started dissecting where our weaknesses were and identifying which lessons from the Compassionate Geek would align with those weaknesses.
At first I was thinking that this was going to be just another buzzword book that we'd be reading, but once we started our weekly meetings and began to dig into the processes and assignments, our team was really able to buy into the processes.
Most companies deliver customer service training when you're first hired or on an ad hoc basis. But leaders of great customer service organizations focus on customer service every week, so it's always fresh on everybody's mind.
An exercise we did one week was thinking about the last time that we as customers had an amazing customer service experience. We talked about what that person did to make it so special, then we used that as our standard.
We measure the overall success of the program by looking at the reductions in customer service escalations and look at overall customer satisfaction.
After seeing the time we were saving, we knew our partners would benefit from that as well, making them more successful.
We started seeing this as a competition. Who could get better scores on their surveys, and who would it be this week to get called out for wowing a partner?
It was our goal at the beginning to create a positive experience for our partners, and if we can achieve that, then that's a positive experience for us.
We strive to deliver amazing customer service to you, our partners, and want to be an example on how you can deliver great customer service to your customers. Don Crowley's Compassionate Geek book has tons of lessons that can help you build a great culture of customer service and therefore making you more successful as a business.